Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W wind turbine generator is an intriguing option for those interested in renewable energy solutions. Designed to harness wind power, this vertical axis windmill kit comes equipped with 3 blades and is available in multiple voltage options, including 12V, 24V, and 220V. As the demand for sustainable energy sources grows, the consideration of such devices becomes increasingly relevant. At first glance, the generator's design appears well thought out. The vertical axis configuration allows it to capture wind from any direction, which can be particularly advantageous in areas with variable wind patterns. This feature enhances its versatility, making it suitable for a variety of installations, whether in residential settings or more remote locations. The 3-blade system typically provides a good balance of efficiency and durability, which is essential for long-term use in outdoor environments. One of the key features of this wind turbine is its power output capability, rated at an impressive 18,000 watts. This output is substantial enough to support various applications, from small household needs to larger-scale projects. Additionally, the option to switch between voltage configurations 12V, 24V, or 220V adds a layer of flexibility for users with differing power requirements. Installation and usage of the wind turbine are critical factors to consider. Many users report that the assembly instructions are straightforward, which facilitates a smoother setup process. It is generally recommended that the turbine be installed in an area with consistent wind flow to maximize its efficiency. Proper placement, along with regular maintenance checks, can ensure the longevity of the turbine and more consistent performance. In conclusion, the 18,000W wind turbine generator stands out as a compelling choice for those looking to integrate wind energy into their power solutions. Its vertical axis design, substantial power output, and versatile voltage options make it adaptable for various needs. While it offers a promising way to harness renewable energy, potential buyers should consider their specific requirements and local wind conditions to determine its suitability for their situation. As the global shift towards sustainable energy continues, products like this wind turbine provide an opportunity to contribute to that movement.